most people would stop right here, just stand and watch the waterfall, enjoy the view and leave. But not him, because when he looked at this place, he didn't just see nature, he saw potential. A place where nothing existed could become something incredible. So he got to work, one beam at a time, building something where no one else would. And now, it's starting to take shape. But here's the thing, this is only the beginning, because what he builds next will completely change this place.